Converse presents the Dual Ladder, creating the path for your in-house career development. You probably wonder, how can I know my job level? How can I develop my career? Does my current level reflect my personal contribution? How can I develop my career in a non-managerial role? In our new Dual Ladder career path, you can get all the answers. You can develop in a managerial or professional path. Both paths enable your contribution to the success of Converse to be recognized and present growth opportunities. This dual ladder structure will be transparent and enable you with your manager to plan a program for you to progress along your career path. So, how will this new dual ladder be implemented? First, we will map all the job roles in Converse. Then, each job level will be aligned with role responsibilities and development opportunities. Your manager will give you all the necessary tools to be able to build your career path. Collaboration with your manager, full transparency of your current level and development opportunities, along with recognition of your professionalism, will present you with a clear career path. Want to learn more about the new Dual Ladder? Contact your manager or your HRBP. Dual Ladder, creating your career path.